Hello everyone. Today in this video, I will be talking about Twilio integration with ZOHO CRM. Let me tell you the client's requirements first. The client wanted us to integrate Twilio with ZOHO CRM to help them seamlessly organize and manage their incoming and outgoing calls with ZOHO CRM. Before moving on to the project demo, let me first tell you about Twilio. Twilio is an American cloud-based communication platform that allows software developers to programmatically make and receive phone calls, send and receive text messages, and perform other communication functions using its web services APIs. Talking about ZOHO CRM is a full-featured customer relationship management platform that offers a wide range of features to help you manage sales, marketing, contacts, customer support, and other business functions in a single system. Let me share with you some of the advantages of ZOHO integration with Twilio. By integrating ZOHO with Twilio, businesses can organize their communication services like incoming and outgoing calls in a much better way within ZOHO Desk dashboard. With ZOHO and Twilio integration, businesses can log the duration of the calls automatically. Businesses can link calls with tickets. Now let me show you how the process of integrating ZOHO CRM with Twilio. Here are the steps we follow to integrate Twilio with ZOHO CRM. Firstly, you need to set up an account on Twilio with all the information, and after that, get your Twilio number. You can choose a number of your own choice or can choose from the Twilio suggested numbers while purchasing that. We use that number for all the incoming and outgoing calls we make to all the customers. In Twilio, we have access to all the call records and messages records that we have done with the customers. Moving forward, within the CRM, choose Twilio as your channel from the CRM settings. It will add Twilio as a communication channel with the CRM. Then set the number that you have received from the Twilio as the communication number, and then add this number as your incoming and outgoing number. This way, you can set IVR functionality over there if you want as per your requirement. Twilio number will be used as an outgoing number, and customers can see this number coming from the CRM and can call back to the same number. At last, you need to configure the remaining parts of this channel in the CRM, and then you will be able to make and receive calls within the CRM using this Twilio number. Moving forward, let me now show you the Twilio interface and how it works. Here is the user interface of Twilio. Whenever you log into Twilio, you will get this dashboard. Here, you need to purchase a trial number. As you can see, I have purchased a trial number. So, to integrate the Twilio platform with ZOHO CRM, we'll first move to the CRM interface, go to the Settings tab, and select Channel. There you will find Telephony, where you have to link up to set up the Twilio configuration. You can see that we have both incoming and outgoing call numbers. Here you have to configure all these call numbers and their IVR system. This can be done according to your requirement. Now you can set it up over here. After integrating Twilio with ZOHO CRM, you can just go to Contact and make a call. It will automatically get recorded in the Twilio interface. We have various contacts. Let's try this one. Here's how Twilio integration make a call to the contact. You can check the call history in Twilio. For that, you have to head to Programmable Voice in the Twilio interface. Here you will find the number of calls you have made for ZOHO CRM in recent times. This is how Twilio works. You can also check all the messages you have made with ZOHO CRM. This Twilio and ZOHO CRM integration will assist you with all kinds of contacts you have, whether it is an account or a lead. You can get all the history from Twilio and use it for further references. That's all about my project. If you are looking for any technical or strategic guidance to integrate your CRM with other third-party tools such as Outlook, MailChimp, and more, contact Cloud Analogy, the world's most trusted Salesforce consulting partner and Salesforce development company to harness the full potential of Salesforce CRM capabilities. The certified experts and consultants would assist you to realize the true potential of your business and help you with configuration, Salesforce data migration, third-party integration, and web service and other framework integrations. Get in touch with Cloud Analogy now.